G'day gang, Sky Pilot here. You got it, the Emax Freestyle. I'm going to have a fly of this again. I've done a couple of little mods on it, clipping things down and extending antennas. I'm going to capture a bit of FPV footage. Why am I flying this old beauty? Because it is an old beauty. And also, I've got the new one coming. Should be picking it up this afternoon. The new Freestyle HD, which looks even better again. So that's going to be something worth hanging around for. Check out my past videos on this. I've changed the PID tune on it. If you want to know the PID tune, yeah, drop me a comment, send me a message. I'll send you the PID tune I got for this unit here. Let's get going. Sky Pilot, thanks for stopping by. Make sure everything's as it should be. It's like it is. Sprightly little unit. Yep, everything looks good. Okay. On the sky zones and go for a scoot around. And did I mention this thing was quite fast? A quick punch out. Yes, fast it is. And lots of fun. And I think I'm scaring the birds again. Okay, I can hear some birds, so I'm just going to have a look and see where they are, as I don't want to hit them. Get down low and go, go, go. Maybe they're up high. Oh yes, he's quite blowy today, guys. Like I said, this tune I got here, folks, is pretty cool. A little bit more aggressive than the standard tune. Does equate to a bit more fun. Oh, the wind's taking me around a bit. I'm getting low RF. Okey-doke. We do have a bit of an issue with my radio at the moment. I think it's playing up a bit. Get quite a few low RF, so I've been holding off for the jumper T18, so I'm hoping that's going to fix a few of my issues that I've got. Well, not land on the lights. I need to bring it in soon, getting low on power. As always, folks, thanks for stopping by. Just drain this battery. link down below, guys. You might even grab yourself a coupon. This thing's on special at the moment, I believe. You can't go wrong, especially if you're getting into FPV. This is a robust little cool unit. We'll see you next time, folks, in the sky. Thanks for stopping by. Much appreciated. Sky Pilot. Catch you next time.